This 2025 Winnebago M Series 2326RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 26 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, smoke detector, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, LP detector, water heater, refrigerator, awning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago M Series 2326RK is 4,608 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.